Creatine, a naturally occurring compound found in the human body, has garnered significant attention in the fitness world for its purported performance-enhancing properties. However, amidst its popularity, numerous myths and misconceptions have arisen, clouding the understanding of its benefits and safety. Today we will dive into the top 3 myths surrounding creatine, backed by science, to shed light on the truth behind this widely used supplement. Make sure to stay until the end to find out all the best information, and remember, at Beyond Living, we provide the best information and actionable and functional guides for all facets of healthy living, vitality, and fitness. Also, check out the awesome products that are running exclusive, limited-time deals just for our viewers here at Beyond Living in the description and in the top pinned comments that we recommend for all our viewers for vitality, healthy living, and fitness. Like, comment, and subscribe as it greatly helps the channel. Myth number 1. Creatine causes kidney damage. One of the most prevalent misconceptions surrounding creatine is the belief that its supplementation can lead to kidney damage. This myth has persisted, causing concern among individuals considering creatine as a dietary supplement. However, scientific research has consistently refuted this notion, providing reassurance regarding the safety of creatine use. The origin of this myth lies in the fact that creatine is processed and excreted from the body through the kidneys. Some skeptics have expressed concerns that the increased workload on the kidneys from metabolizing creatine could potentially lead to kidney strain or damage over time. However, extensive studies have failed to find any substantial evidence linking creatine supplementation with adverse effects on kidney function in healthy individuals. In fact, research suggests that creatine supplementation is safe when used within recommended dosages. Studies have shown that even long-term use of creatine at appropriate levels does not cause harm to kidney function in healthy individuals. Furthermore, athletes and fitness enthusiasts who engage in strenuous physical activity may actually experience a decrease in markers of kidney stress with creatine supplementation, attributed to its potential to improve exercise performance and reduce muscle breakdown. It's essential to emphasize that, like any dietary supplement, moderation is key when it comes to creatine consumption. Adhering to recommended dosages and staying adequately hydrated are crucial factors in ensuring the safe use of creatine without putting undue stress on the kidneys. In conclusion, the notion that creatine causes kidney damage is a myth unsupported by scientific evidence. By understanding the facts and dispelling misconceptions, individuals can confidently incorporate creatine into their fitness regimen, knowing that it is a safe and effective supplement for enhancing athletic performance and muscle growth. Myth number 2. Creatine is a steroid. Another common misconception surrounding creatine is the belief that it belongs in the same category as anabolic steroids. This myth often stems from a lack of understanding about the differences between creatine and steroids, as well as misinformation perpetuated in popular culture. To clarify, creatine and steroids are entirely distinct substances with different mechanisms of action and effects on the body. Creatine is a naturally occurring compound found in foods like meat and fish, and it plays a crucial role in energy metabolism, particularly during high-intensity exercise. On the other hand, steroids are synthetic hormones that mimic the effects of testosterone, primarily used to promote muscle growth and enhance athletic performance. Unlike steroids, which carry significant risks and potential side effects, creatine is widely regarded as a safe and legal dietary supplement. Numerous scientific studies have demonstrated the effectiveness of creatine in improving athletic performance, increasing muscle mass, and enhancing recovery, all without the harmful effects associated with steroids. Moreover, creatine supplementation is not associated with the negative consequences often attributed to steroid use, such as liver damage, hormonal imbalances, and cardiovascular risks. Creatine operates by replenishing ATP stores in muscles, thereby providing a readily available source of energy during intense exercise, leading to improved performance and muscle growth. By debunking the myth that creatine is a steroid, individuals can better understand its role as a safe and beneficial supplement for enhancing athletic performance and achieving fitness goals. Whether you're an athlete striving to improve your performance or a fitness enthusiast looking to maximize your workouts, creatine can be a valuable addition to your regimen, offering tangible benefits without the risks associated with steroids. Myth number 3. Creatine is only for bodybuilders. Creatine has long been associated with the world of bodybuilding, leading to the misconception that it is exclusively for those looking to bulk up and increase muscle mass. However, this myth overlooks the diverse range of individuals who can benefit from creatine supplementation, regardless of their fitness goals or athletic pursuits. Contrary to popular belief, Creatine offers benefits beyond muscle building and is not limited to a specific demographic. While bodybuilders and strength athletes may indeed reap significant advantages from creatine, such as enhanced muscle size, strength, and power, its benefits extend to a wide variety of individuals across different age groups and fitness levels. For example, endurance athletes can also benefit from creatine supplementation due to its ability to improve exercise performance and delay fatigue during prolonged aerobic activities, such as running, cycling, or swimming. Research has shown that creatine can enhance endurance by aiding in the regeneration of ATP, the primary energy source for muscle contraction, thereby allowing athletes to sustain higher intensities for longer durations. Moreover, older adults can benefit from creatine supplementation as part of a comprehensive approach to maintaining muscle mass, strength, and overall functional capacity. Aging is often accompanied by a decline in muscle mass and strength, contributing to frailty and an increased risk of falls and injuries. Creatine supplementation, combined with resistance training, has been shown to attenuate age-related muscle loss and improve physical performance in older individuals, promoting independence and quality of life. By dispelling the myth that creatine is only for bodybuilders, individuals can recognize its versatility as a supplement suitable for a wide range of fitness enthusiasts, athletes, and even older adults seeking to optimize their physical performance and maintain muscle health. Whether you're striving to build muscle, improve endurance, or age gracefully, creatine can be a valuable tool in achieving your health and fitness goals. In conclusion, debunking the top 3 myths surrounding creatine has shed light on its true potential as a safe and effective dietary supplement for enhancing athletic performance, building muscle, and improving overall health. Through scientific evidence, we've clarified that creatine does not cause kidney damage, is not a steroid, and is not limited to bodybuilders. It's imperative to base our understanding of creatine on factual information rather than misconceptions. By embracing evidence-based knowledge, individuals can confidently incorporate creatine into their fitness regimen, knowing that it offers tangible benefits without the risks associated with myths and misinformation. Now, armed with a deeper understanding of creatine's versatility and safety, I encourage you to take action. Whether you're an athlete striving to reach new heights, a fitness enthusiast aiming to maximize your workouts, or an older adult seeking to maintain muscle health and vitality, consider integrating creatine supplementation into your routine. Remember, moderation and adherence to recommended dosages are key to reaping the benefits of creatine safely. So, seize the opportunity to optimize your performance, enhance your physique, and elevate your overall well-being with creatine, a scientifically validated supplement that stands ready to support your fitness journey. Embrace the truth, embrace the gains, and unleash your full potential with creatine by your side.